Welcome back. Today we properly terminate Cat5e cable. Let's do it. Alright, welcome back Alpha Team. Today we are going to learn how to properly terminate Cat5 so that yours looks just like this. Alright. Let's go ahead and start off. I'm gonna make this video fast because I know some of you are probably either out in the field working, just forgot how to do it, and or you might be at home, building a network, doing IP cameras, anything that you might be doing. So first we want to, I'm gonna do that right. First we want to strip the wire. Usually go down maybe like 1.5 inches or so. Peel the wire back, expose that. Let's see if we can get you guys a little closer. Focus, 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 boom. All right, we'll go ahead and clip this off. All right, now, I already said that. So we separate the wires next. Get everything nice and separated. Sorry for the blurriness, trust me, I'll get you guys back focus in just a second once I get this done. I may do that with this lighting from time to time. Alright, there we go. And there we are. Alright, so you have everything separated. Then you want to straighten your wires out. So get like a small screwdriver or regular screwdriver. I use a small screwdriver because it's easier to kind of get in and grab each wire. But you don't want to skip this step. It is very important to make sure that the wires slip seamlessly and into the RJ45 jack. Alright, so now that you have all those straight, then you want to start separating your colors. So first is orange white. I don't know if you guys can see that. That is orange white, and then orange. The next color is green white, then blue, then blue white, green, brown white, and then brown. All right. So now that you have all your wires like that, then you kind of want to just play with them a little bit, kind of turn them all in one direction, turn them back the other direction, bend them down some, bend them up, and you're doing that to try to take the copper and just tame it a little bit to want to go straight. It's been sitting in this jacket, coiled and twisted for who knows how long, but now we want it to go straight just like that. You can take your RJ45 cable, connector. If you're new to this, just kind of look at it this way. You want your jacket to be on the inside of the connector. You don't want it up here when you get done, and all this wire is loose and unprotected at the bottom. So you want to aim for it to be right around there so that the jacket is pinched in and all the wires are protected. So now that we have it straight, we'll go ahead and cut that right around there. Looks pretty good. Hold that, keep it held. I'll show you a little bit. See, if I start to move around too much, holding the wire, then look at what happens when I go back. Look at it. It's all uneven and jagged. So hold that really tight. I usually hold my finger down here, press my thumb, give myself a little room to work with the cut. Get that straight and then go straight into the jack. Don't do anything else, just go straight into the jack. I'm gonna slide that directly in, line up all of your these copper contacts. Line up the copper contacts as you're pushing the wire in. Once you get the wire all the way in, if you guys can see that, see across the bottom, you should see 8 dots, 8 copper dots for all the wires that you have put in. They should make it all the way to the end. You view from the side, you can see the brown the brown wire on this side, the brown conductor. See the orange white conductor on that side. You see the jacket is inside of the RJ45 connector. Then we're going to take our compression tool, stick that in just like that. Okay, hold that firmly and squeeze down. You can pull that out, and there you go. Perfect every time, just like we like it. Sorry for that. This focusing situation is, it's always something. But yeah, you can tug on the wire. It is very straight. Sorry, hold on. Hold on, hold on. Come on. There we go. Nice and clean. Perfect. That's the way it should be done. And that's how you terminate a Cat5 cable on a RJ45 jack. Hope this was helpful. Keep rocking out there doing your DIY projects. For all the technicians that want to learn a little more so that you can possibly pursue further career in AV tech, please check out our Pro Series videos where we take the Alpha team on another level of technical information on the cabling, the tools that we use, the types of connectors that are offered, the types of wiring, the differences in the wiring, what not to do, things to look out for, some big warnings that can save you a lot of money and make you a lot of money. Thank you guys for watching. Until next time, Alpha Team out.